Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak Fizz and Bubbles, and this is their Poptart Party Bath Bomb. It's so cute. And there's little sprinkles on top and a little bit of mica to make it shimmery. And this bath bomb smelled so good. It had fragrance notes. It said it was sweet, buttery top notes with coconut, sweet berries, and vanilla. I definitely smelled the coconut and the vanilla. It was a very pleasant smell. Currently, if you go to their website, depending on when you're watching this video, it's still down. So whenever they sell out of their products, they take the website down. There's just like a splash page that it brings you to. You can enter your email address, and then whenever they release new products, you will be notified via your email. I definitely recommend doing that because if you're just the type of person that just wants to check back, you're probably going to miss the next release, and the stuff sells out really quickly because they have some awesome bath bombs. This one doesn't have anything hidden inside, but they do have some bath bombs that have jewelry or little toys for the kiddos. And I have a whole playlist going if you're interested. And also I have promo codes, little links in my description box for when the site is back up and running. You get $10 off with your purchase, so make sure you check that out. But I did end up dunking the bath bomb. A lot of times when you do that, it will make it a lot more active. I always try to lower it into the tub so it's just like floating upright and it looks really cool. But when you dunk it, it gets a lot more active. And then it'll eventually slow down. There's a lot of white on top of the water, but underneath it's a really pretty, like a fruit punch color. And here's what it looked like at the end. And that's what I have for you today. If you want to check out the playlist, check out the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.